Want to turn on sound effects on Wordscapes but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to turn on sound effects on Wordscapes. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by tapping on the settings icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, click on the sound icon to turn it on. And that's how you can turn on sound effects on Wordscapes. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.